This is one of my favorite smoothies to make in the summertime, or if I'm in a very hot climate, which I am right now. I am currently in Costa Rica visiting my son who lives here and his family. And Costa Rica has amazing pineapples and bananas. So today we're going to make an anti-inflammatory pineapple banana turmeric smoothie. So you can use either fresh pineapple, which I'll be using today, or you can use canned pineapple. Either one works great. So when cutting a fresh pineapple, you just cut off the top and the bottom, and then we will shave the side. Tipping it up on its side like so. That makes it easier. And you're just going to cut the rind off right here. And you're just making your way around the pineapple. So in the center of the pineapple, you're going to have this really hard core, and we're just going to cut kind of around that core before we dice it. Here you can kind of see how it's like right there in the middle. We're just going to cut around it. It's really easy. The pineapple's super soft. Once everything is cored, you just dice it up into bite-sized pieces. What makes the smoothie like really thick consistency and frosty that you want when it's really hot outside is to freeze your pineapple. And for the sake of time, I have some frozen and ready to go. You add one banana, and the banana does not need to be frozen because the frozen pineapple is enough. So you can use fresh ginger and turmeric, or you can use dried ground ginger or turmeric and turmeric. So you can find both the ginger and the turmeric. Turmeric is orange, ginger is like yellow. You can find both of these in your produce section usually. So both of these you will want to peel off the rind. And it's not very thick, it's actually pretty fine, so it's easy to peel. I love the turmeric because it's like bright orange. I think it's such a pretty color to me. I even have pants that color. And the ginger smells, oh my gosh, it smells so good and just fresh. And a little goes a long way, so we only need 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger, and we're just gonna grate it. And you do the same for the turmeric. The nice thing about ginger and turmeric is it is really good for your immune system, as well as being an anti-inflammatory. A little bit of milk, and then we're ready to blend it up. It's so cold and frosty. I hope that you enjoy this. Just beware, because the turmeric does turn your fingers bright orange. Thank you so much for joining me today. Have a beautiful day, my friend.